To download data from our Open Data Portal, you can click on the link that goes GIS Data Portal. We're going to scroll down to the data set that we want to download data from, and in this case, we're going to use the 2018 contours. This is a large data set, so normally you'll have to zoom pretty far in to the area that you're interested in. The contours is a large data set, so give it a second to draw. As you can see, it's starting to draw those. And then what we can do is, if we're interested in just a particular subset of this data, we can use this tool, any of these tools along the side here, to just start drawing an area that we want to download. And we'll say filter to this area. And then we go to the left-hand side and click download. And let's use this toggle filters. And then we can choose the format that we want that in. If you want to use it in CAD, shapefile may be your best option. Otherwise, we suggest like a file geodatabase for ArcGIS Pro. Once that is downloaded, it downloads it to a zip file, and then you can open that up in the application of your choice.